In today's activity, you will analyze structure to find central idea. You will find the central idea of a text using the text features and connect the text features and central idea to the author's purpose. As a reminder, the structure of a nonfiction work provides clues to the central idea and the author's purpose. Central idea is what a passage or text is mostly about. The opening sentence of a work usually gives you a clue about the central idea. You can often tell how a work is organized by looking at its arrangements on the page. These are text features. Text features, such as section headings or subheadings in charts, can provide clues about the author's purpose. For today's activity, you're going to start by reading a News ELA article. You're going to read the News ELA article listed at the top of your paper. If you'd like to read the article that goes along with this example video, please click the link below. Once you've actually read the article, then you're going to begin filling out the accompanying charts. Each completed box of the chart is worth 2 points. This chart helps you see how the structure, key idea, and purpose of a text are interrelated. You're going to use the section headings to help you understand the central idea. The central idea and author's purpose boxes must be completed with complete sentences. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to list the section headings. They're going to be easy to find because they are in bold when you read the article. Then, based on those section headings and your reading of the text, you're going to determine both the central idea and the author's purpose. If you don't remember what central idea and author's purpose are, take a look at our word wall. For the example article, my section headings were, we would compete against small universities, CETUS already plays exhibition games in US, short commute across the border, legal issues with border crossings, and Canadian college accepted into NCAA in 2012. Based on those section headings and my reading of the article, I determined that the central idea is that CETUS University has applied to be a part of the NCAA, but acceptance is not a sure thing. Notice that my central idea is written as a complete sentence. Lastly, I needed to come up with the purpose. There are 3 possible purposes that you could choose. The author could be trying to inform, persuade, or entertain. In the case of this article, the author was trying to inform readers about CETUS University's application to be part of the NCAA and the factors in favor of approving or denying the application. So notice, I have not just written the word inform. I have explained what the author is informing us about. If you finish with this activity and you're ready to move on to extend your understanding or skills challenge, take a look at the videos below that will go over those activities with you.